You're gonna love it. It tastes good. Look at that. Look. Woo! Yes, Maxine's Corner. Hello, my healthy people. So today I'm showing you how to make a delicious energizing smoothie. So I'm adding my coconut water. Coconut water is going to help keep you hydrated, and I'll show you the one that I'm using. I'm using the Vita Coco coconut water. Okay, I'm adding half of a tablespoon. You don't want to add too much because this is pretty strong, and this is my seed powder. All right, I'm going to add my flaxseed blend. And this is going to be flax seeds and chia seeds mixed together. So I got my flax seeds and I got my chia seeds. So they're both blended together, and it's perfect for any smoothie that you're going to make. Cup of frozen pineapples. And don't worry about adding frozen fruits. It does not lose any nutritional value if you use frozen fruits. Or whenever you're using frozen vegetables, I don't want you guys to think that, oh my God, it's going to lose nutritional value, because it does not, okay? That's one thing to remember. And that's pretty much all you're going to need. I'm showing you today how to make a simple and nutritious smoothie. You don't have to worry about it. Everything is in here. You got your omega-3s, you got your fiber, you got your seed powder, you also have your mangoes, and you have your pineapples, okay? Let's just go ahead and blend this together, right? Let's go. All right, my healthy people, so I've blended everything together. So let's go ahead and pour this out. Hey, but before we pour, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free. Healthy meals, weight loss tips. What's better than that? You must hit that bell, and that's how you're going to get your notifications. So let's go ahead and pour this out right now. Look. Woo, nice and thick, delicious, enough to fill you up. You're going to love it. It tastes good. Look at that. Look. Woo, yes, Maxine's Corner. You've done it again. Healthy, delicious, and it tastes good. It's gonna fill you up. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's gonna give you energy, and it's very nutritious. Now, that's how you make a simple, delicious smoothie that you can have on the run, as a snack, as a dinner, as lunch, or as breakfast. Also, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, guys. I haven't seen you guys checking Maxine's Corner out on Instagram. Okay, it's all the same, at Maxine's Corner. If you do make this, please tag me. All right, and I'll see you guys next time. And what? Stay healthy.